Junk City, USA.
Do you ever get tired of people complimenting you on your rig?
No.
Garth's mad that brought all this shit up here and I'm going shore fishing.
It's raining and we've lost all motivation.
At Headwaters #4, and there's some good brook trout in here.
Yeah.
But it's raining, so we're gonna take a minute and see what happens. I'm gonna do a little shore fishing until I get wet and I'll run back inside. Oh wow, this thing stinks! Blech. Janky little logs, eh? Ooh. It feels sketch. Alright, let's get this bad boy in the water. Pour ourselves a coffee and get to fishing. It's wet. It's wet. Uh-oh. Is that a fish? Yeah, I think I got a fish. It's a big fish. I think it's a stick. Yeah, it's a fish. Right on. So this is my first fish on the lightning rod. I got a reel. It's a ice fishing reel, but it's tiny, and I'm gonna love it, I think, for this type of stuff. It's a pretty big one, maybe. Oh yeah, it is. It's a good brookie here. Yep. Oh! God, it's a big brookie. I lost him. Oh. Heartbreaking. What? Are you telling me that this is your spot? You want me to move? Okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Oh my God. I'm listening. Don't get worse as I go away. Oh my. Give him an inch, eh? Lots of debris in here for them to sit in, live amongst, hide. Want to keep the lures up high. There's a nice little guy. Rainbow. There's tiny rainbows in here. Ouch, sorry buddy. There we are. That's pretty good. Not too bad. Feels awesome on this line, on this rod. Rainbow. I'll let him tire out a bit before he gets me all wet. He's off. Here comes the rain again. Little guy. Feels like rainbow. Most probably a little rainbow. Yeah. Looking like it. This little guys, man. My lure's not a very big lure, and it's too big for these guys. I don't think I'm damaging any of them, but they eat it up, and it gets all up in them. Oh, a fish just jumped for my lure. How crazy is that? That was cool. That's a new one. There we go. Bending that rod right over. Look at that. I didn't set the hook very good. Just bending it. It could be a little one though. This is a very lightweight rod. Oh man. Look at that bent rod right over. Oh my God. It's just a good rainbow. Yeah, we'll keep him. No, maybe not. That little rainbow. It bent this sucker in half. Holy. Got that deadly dicks. How deadly is your dick? Chill out. I'll help you. I'm here to help you. My name's Craig. I'm here to help you. Another exciting adventure. Alright, so the fishing's kind of died down. It was good for a bit. Garth had a couple, and they're just spitting the lures every time that we do hook them up. So the rain's coming in. We're going to head down this channel here because it's pretty cool. We like to show that off. Really running. This is probably like class 2.5 in here.
There's spiders on my boat already.
Yeah. He's like a... Nah, I ain't going.
You're just pinched in there.
Yeah.
Just find you years later, just a skeleton in a... Well, I'll just run over you to get out.
Hold on, I might... Yeah. I gotta go though, bro. Okay, well I gotta go. Oh. Touch your tip to me. Touch me with your tip. Ugh, that sounds bad.
Wood never hurt anyone?
No. Oh, here we go. Oh, I thought I was in trouble there. Oh, there we are.
No.
Look at this thing. Look how small the fish is, and look at my rod. Look how small the fish is, dude.
That's hilarious.
Yeah.
Must be nice catching fish. I used to know what it felt like.
It's another dang rainbow, though. They're all the rainbows are the same. I did catch a larger rainbow. Oh yeah, they freak out when that's like a big eagle or something. They freak out when he comes around. Oh yeah, let's go check that guy out. That thing's the size of your kayak. Big old turkey. Well, not a whole lot happening for the afternoon, but the weather has cleared up a bit, so I'll take that. Hey Garth, what do you think? We go have a fire? Warm up? All right.